Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be installing a 360 braided wig from Fancivivi. Guys, this wig is off the hook. Like, I'm literally loving this wig. I am literally loving it. The ventilating is so natural, like you will almost think the braids are growing directly from the scalp, and the length of this braid is giving. The baby hairs are simply perfect and they extend even to the back area. Guys, this wig is so light. Like, after installation you feel like you won't even know you're wearing a wig. Like, it is so lovable. The lightness is so lovable, and it is, to me, this is a must-have. I can't lie, this is a must-have to me. The wig has 2 wig combs at the front and 1 wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable band for proper fitting. The wig came with an edge band, it came with a wig cap, it came with a pair of eyelashes, it came with a hair bonnet, and it also came with some hair designs. One of the things I love most about this wig is that I didn't use glue at the back area, which made it very easy to install. So guys, sit back and watch me install this cutie. Don't forget that all of the details of this unit is available in the description box.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never